ukhuluma uthethe uvala ifoni. Hey Andile njani? I hope you're well. Yes, I've been meaning to send you this voice note nje ever since ngivukile ekuseni ngithi ngizokusendela, because I do not want to call you and talk about this because ngiyakwazi ukuthi unjani. It's either we'll end up being on each other's throats or nje uzokhuluma uthethe uvala ifoni yabo, between the two. So I wanted to pass my message kahle without being interrupted yabo. You know how I feel about you, but at the same breath there's so many things that I'm unhappy about. Sometimes I can't even be vocal or talk to you about those things because we'll end up being on each other's throats. Noma, you will end up doing lending ingayithandi that you have now have a habit of doing, yabo, of ukungithreatenisha. Yes, I know sometimes mhlawumbe usukudlala yabo, but it makes me feel very uncomfortable. Like I do not like it yabo, ukuthi each time you'd be suspicious of anything or khona into ezokuphatha kabi, you'd have this habit of saying uzongithuma uphuthu, which means uzongibulala yabo. The reason why I think it makes me feel very uncomfortable is because I know your tendencies and I know ukuthi unjani, and I know how you get when you're angry yabo. I never thought I'd be in a relationship where I am scared of my partner yabo. I never thought I'd be in a relationship where I'd be scared of my partner. Sikhulume nje iqiniso Andile, ngiyakusaba yabo. Ngisaba your reactions towards any situation esobhekana nayo yabo. Sikhuluma nje, right now I've got a permanent scar. I'm not bringing it up like I'm bringing up your past, but I'm just trying to make you see what I'm talking about. Sikhuluma nje Andile, I've got a permanent scar on my forehead, which is my face. Uyabo, engisibekwe umuntu wesilisa engithandana naye. Where Andile, I don't think if you are a male or a man in a woman's life, fanele umuntu wesifazane akusabe. I think as a man you should be a protector, my protector, my guardian angel, you understand? Akumele Andile ngisabe wena, kumele kubo wena ongivikelayo kwabantu uyabo, not ukuthi mina ngiyivikele kuwena. For the longest of times I've been very unhappy with what you did kumina, lesikawu ngibeke sona. Ngingengazi noma ukwenze ngoba ubungcwalisela or I don't know, but I can never place it as a form of love yabo. I don't think anyone that loves you will ever harm you, let alone bakubeke a permanent scar on your face, whereby should anyone ask me about it, ngibekwe umuntu engithandana naye. It's akuswakali, and it's not fair, you know. But ke siyadlula eyintweni as a person. For you, for me, kahle kahle ukuthi ngize ngikwazi ukuhila ngimove on kahle, kumele ngidlule kulento. But you're making it very difficult for me to forget about this or to move on or to move past it, because each time anything is going to happen between us, you're going to remind me. For the longest of times, I've been very uncomfortable whether we are dlala or awudlali andile, but looking at where we are coming from, I'm very uncomfortable with lawo mazwi akho hlezi uwasho. Uyabo, I don't think angenza ngifuna ukukhululeka ngihlale and love you the way that I want to love you as umuntu wesifazane, because it's like a threat. If someone tells you something, you should listen to them. Uyabo, and I have no reason not to believe you, because you've hurt me countless times, physically, shiyake emotionally, physically, usungilimazile so many times where I've got scars on my body because of you. You've came to my workplace, client, which is also another form of disrespect. You understand that not you respecting me, but you do not respect now isinkwa sam, yabo. Angazwe andile noma. I ask myself so many times, I ask myself these questions because which woman would continue loving you when you've done so much? So many times I felt as if like I'm second best. Like when at some point I even asked you, and I know you're gonna deny like you always do. At some point I even asked you whether do you still love uMakathengwa, because it's always about her. Wavuma, but till date usakphika lokhu utsakaze kwenzeke, which is fine because you always do that to me, and njengosine fanele ngihleke fanele ngidlulise into. Uyabo, but namhlanje nje we-andile ngihlalile, and I did like a serious self-introspection, which contributes to maybe your actions, and also look at how you treat me. Look at, is this what I want for myself? Is this the future that I want for myself? Is this the environment that I want for my son? Is this the man that I want to be with for the rest of my life? And when I ask myself these questions, my answer will always be no. For as long as you're still treating me like this, or we are still treating each other like this, my answer will always be no. Yabo. Kuningi like osekwenzekile that I try to just ngikuvalele ngaphakathi, because I'm always the one olethe inkinga, always the one complaining. Yabo. But they just so many things that make me question whether I still want to be in this relationship. Yabonje, one of those things is, I remember this one time emalikazi kufika amaphoyisa ezofuna wena, and I was the one that had to protect you and say that you are not there. Ngagcina sengishawa mina, ngishawa bani? Ngishawa amaphoyisa. I thought that was gonna stay between the two of us. Inhliziyami was very heartbroken when I had an argument with umawengane yakho. Wagcina sengithuka ngaleyo nto, and at that time I didn't think it would come from you, because ngokwami wena uyamzonda uMakathengwa and you want nothing to do with her, only to find you in bed with her, and nalapho you are gonna blame me. Yabo, I'm tired of being treated the way that you treat me, Andile. I'm tired of you making me feel second best. I'm tired of you always putting a blame on me on the things that you are gonna do. Tell me, why would you ever blame me for being with the girl in bed? Why would you blame me for bringing a girl lying lala nawe corner? Also blame mina, it's because of me. I think today I did like a serious self-introspection where I'm like putting my foot down and putting myself first, because if I don't, nobody will. Kulonyaga, I told myself that I want to put myself first, love myself before anything else and anybody else, and then whatever will come after. I think I did not do a good job by loving myself. Angithandanga more, so I can't hurt her. I allowed you to beat me up. I allowed you to put scars on my face. I allowed you to talk trash nami. I allowed you I allowed you because I think I didn't love myself enough. So I'm putting my foot down and I'm loving myself first before anybody else, omunye uzongithanda ngoba ebuka indlela engiyithanda ngayo, which I failed to do with you. Mina andilela kuwena ngisifeyile mina. I failed myself when it comes to you, and I realized ukuthi the way that you treat me is the way that I treat myself. Ngazenza like I'm desperate for love, and I'm not desperate for love, Andile. I was too caught up in wanting you to love me or wanting you to choose me, and I forgot about loving myself. And Glonyaga, I'm gonna do it differently. I do not want to put myself second. Anyone that's gonna love me is gonna love me. And when it comes to you, I failed. So ngiright ngendlela ungitreata ngayo, ngiright ngendlela ukhuluma ngayo, ngiright about everything. You understand? I had to follow ngikulandelele ngemuva, even after you showed me that actually sine umuntu engimthandayo makathingo and I'm choosing her. So I'm allowing you to do what your heart wants. I'm allowing you to cheat if you want to. I'm allowing you to go be with her if that's what you want. I'm allowing you to go drink for 5 days if that's what you want. I'm allowing you to bring her back in your life if that's what you want. I'm allowing you to put whoever you want to put first and put me last, because I will put myself first. Like you ended up not seeing my worth. It is so hurtful that other people out there seeing my worth more than when, as my man, will see my worth. And that has to come to an end. If it takes me putting myself first and loving myself, single because no one will love me the way that I want to be loved, that's fine. Like I'm saying, I'm allowing you to go be with whoever you want to be. I'm allowing you to go love Matinga the way that you want to love her. With free will, the way that you want to. Because tell me why and then obviously at the later stage I found you in bed with her, which gives me more reasons why I would think that you are the one that told her. I've allowed you to disrespect me where I've lost self-worth for myself. But from today onwards, you will love me the way that I want to be loved. If just like I'm saying, Jangamanj, I'm allowing you to go be with Maranganyako. I'm allowing you to live your free will, the way that you want to live your life.